I just showed up in Atlantic, Iowa today, cleaning a house. It's going to be more of a refresh. It's not that dirty, not a lot of green on it. More dirt than anything else from the farm fields. Today it's going to be, I think, roughly 110. I'll put it right here, what the heat index says it's going to be today. I know it's going to be a hot one. I can feel how sticky it is right now. But let me get started. I'll probably just have it on time lapse, get this sucker done, get home and get in the AC. Alright, first step is complete. Go around. I do a little property protection, protect the locks, protect the Ring cameras, any electrical stuff that doesn't have covers on them, tape them up, protect them. Then next is watering. Going around doing property protection. Thermometer reads 100 degrees at 9:30 a.m. This is the same pressure I use on your house. If it's not going to damage these flowers, it's not going to damage your house. See? Same pressure. So that bench back there, she asked me if I can knock off as much paint as I can. Remember, pressure washers aren't the best paint remover, but I'm going to try to do what I can with the turbo. The reason I cooled down the house is because if I spray my cleaner on there, especially on the glass, it's gonna flash oxidize and it's gonna stick. So on really hot days, you gotta cool it down. Like that siding went from 87 down into the 60s when I shot my little thermometer at it. And it's another example of why it's important to wash your house. Like if you look on all the building sites, they say they recommend, wash your house every year. Why? Because all that dirt that I just rinsed off of there is just sitting there baking. It's like an oven. It is, it's like an oven, especially here in the Midwest. So you wash it every year and you keep the siding fresh. You can call me and have me come out there and wash it every year. You get a discount for that too if you go every year. Back to work. anyway, that's it. I mean, it's just more me putting that on there, me rinsing that off of there. But thanks for watching. If you need your house washed, give me a call. Numbers at the end.